Hello, it's Hannah here and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. Today I'll be talking about this used Toyota Yaris GR Circuit finished in a glossy white paintwork. This 2022 model comes with a 1.6 petrol engine and manual transmission, perfect for a sporty city upgrade. This vehicle comes equipped with electric folding door mirrors for the added protection from when parked, followed by LED headlights that great visibility, especially at night time. Sat on stunning black 18-inch alloy wheels with the red brake calipers contrasting nicely against the white paintwork. As we enter into the boot space, you will see this is a generous area of 141 litres, perfect for your necessities. Making our way into the rear seats with the full leather upholstery, offering a relaxing and stylish finish. Moving into the front with the multifunctioning steering wheel with central touch display, the part leather finish follows through to the front, allowing a luxurious and comfortable driving experience. The sports seat get off that sporty look for the rest of the car. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connections. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road, alongside with other assist systems. Moving on to the central infotainment system, you've got a variety of different radio stations you can listen to keep you entertained along your journeys. You can also connect your phone to the car through Bluetooth so you can access your own music. For extra safety, you've got your rear view camera, perfect for those awkward and tight manoeuvres, especially in busy car parks where parking can be tight. Your climate controls be found below screen where you can customise the temperature to your preference. Finished off with a central console with charging ports and cup holders so you can store anything you may need. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.